Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to use the power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly have access to the battery saver, let's use upper bar twice and tap on the battery icon. So here you can enable the stamina mode when you have the 15% of the battery, tap OK. If you would like to use other battery settings, let's use this arrow right here under the battery, and here you can read the remaining time, so the usage information. Here you've got this auto start of the stamina mode, or you can choose here more settings. So here you've got the stamina mode settings, and if you would like to, you can also get access to this information by using the apps icon, by finding the settings, and here by tapping the battery. So this is the two ways to getting into this info. Here you can use the stamina mode settings, and as you can see right now I've got activated the auto start, but I can choose always on. So right now I'm using the stamina mode. You can also use, for example, the stamina level or the smart stamina notifications. So that's it. Let me disable the stamina mode. Let's go back. And sometimes if you would like to use your device for a really long time, you have to use the ultra stamina mode. Let's tap it. Here you've got the restrictions. This is the most restrictful mode. As you can see, the estimated battery time is even 9 days, so it's like the really big period of time. Let me tap activate to see how the ultra stamina looks like. Tap OK. The device is activating this restrict full mode. Let's tap OK. Tap allow some features for the ultra stamina mode, and as you can see here, you've got only this home screen, and you can only use the following apps. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use upper bar and let's tap on the ultra stamina mode right here. Tap OK, and the device is deactivating this power saving mode. The device will restart, so let's be patient and wait until the home screen pops up. Excellent, now you can use your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.